Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. So here I'm going to give some organic problems. Okay, so this is also very important. So they'll ask to find out common A, B, C like that. Okay, so today I'm going to give some problems in Amin chapter. Okay, this is one of the lessons in 12th standard. Okay, today I'm going to give 7 problems in Amin chapters. The next day I'm going to give solution for this. Okay, so these chapters here mostly organic chemistry means you must know the naming reactions. You must be thorough in naming reaction means you can able to answer this one. Understood? Can you go to the first one? See the first one. Identify the common C in the following reaction. Okay, C6H5N2Cl. That is nothing but benzene diacetyl chloride reacts with cuprous cyanide to form A. Then which on hydrolysis to get B, which reacts with ammonia as well as we have to heat. Then only we are getting the common C. Okay, but the question is we have to only identify C only. Understood? So among this, the option A is benzamide, option B is ethanamide, option C is phthalimide, option D is methanamide. Okay, so they are asking only find out only C. Understood? Okay. Second question, identify C in the following reaction. Okay, you know nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is reduced by ion in presence of HCl to get A, then which on reacts with NaNO2 HCl 273 Kelvin to get B, which on hydrolysis as well as heat to get C. Okay, so we have to find out only C. So option A benzyl alcohol, option B phenol, option C cresol, option D catechol. Okay, so we have to find out only common C. Understood? Third question, identify C in the following reaction. Okay, here also we have to find out C. Okay, you know nitrobenzene is reduced by ion in presence of HCl to get A, which undergoes diassociation to get B, then B reacts with phenol to get C. Okay, C only we have to find out. So option A para-amino acid option B para-hydroxy option C azoxybenzene, option D hydroxybenzene. Okay, so among this we have to find out which one is C. Understood? See the next one. Identify the product in the following reaction. Okay, we have to find out the product. This is very familiar name reaction. Okay, if you suppose in amines chapters, it's a very important reactions. You must know. Then only you can able to find out the product. Okay, you know aniline reacts with chloroform and alcoholic AOH to get dash. That's the question. Okay, so what's the product we have to find out? Okay, option A phenyl isocyanide, option B methyl isocyanide, option C ethyl isocyanide, option D benzyl isocyanide. Okay, understood? Now see the next one. The chemical test to differentiate ethanamine and aniline is, so we have so many tests are there. Okay, so if you want to differentiate these two commons, we have one special test. That test nothing but the test only we have to find out. Okay, option A carbylamine test, option B HNO2 test, option C Innsberg reagent test, option D Lieberman test. Understood? Now see the sixth question. The amine produced by the Hoffman degradation of benzamide. Okay, the amine produced by the Hoffman degradation of benzamide. Here Hoffman degradation you must know. Okay, Hoffman degradation bromamide reaction or name reaction is there. If you know means you can easily solve the sum. Okay, so option A benzylamine, option B aniline, option C ethanamine, option D propanamine. Okay, so among this one will be the answer. You just find out. Okay, next one, the amide which gives propanamine by Hoffman bromamide reaction. This is also bromamide reaction. Okay, so which amide is going to give? Okay, or the amide, one amide only giving what? One amide only giving propanamine. Which amide we have to find out? That's the question. Understood? A propanamide, B butanamide, C pentanamide, D ethanamide. Okay, understood? Are you following? Okay, so amine chapter you must study all the name reaction and conversions and complete the following. Then this and all if you know means you can able to answer this one. Okay, so the next day I'll give the solution to this question. Okay, thank you students.